Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This video has been a bit delayed. Had a virus. You all know which one it is. So this was a video from a couple of weeks ago. Did some chicken wings in a marinade that we wanted to try. So hope you like it, and let's get you started.
Yo man, fuck man, welcome to the jungle.
So we started by adding 50 ml of oil to a pan and sweating down half a teaspoon of ginger and half a teaspoon of garlic. Then we added 50 ml of teriyaki, 50 ml of oyster sauce, 100 ml of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 3 tablespoons of sweet chili. Brought this to a simmer. Let it cool and then jarred it up. We then put the chicken into the marinade and let it sit overnight.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Fired up the Weber, threw them around in a circle.
I bet there's a piece of chicken down there you go for, wouldn't you? Hell yeah, coach, I'm nuts. Get...
Next to do is due diligence, this lad.
Due diligence.
Due diligence. Good. Thanks for watching that, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.